Warm greeting to everyone. We are very much glad to be here in Analog Design Contest 2012 conducted by Texas Instruments. I heartily thank the TI group for selecting our project. We are from Panimal Institute of Technology. Our team number is 55-1 and our project title is iGaze System for People with Multiple Disabilities. We also like to thank our college management, Principal Dr. Jayanti, HOD Dr. P. Chitra and our mentor Ganesh sir for supporting and guiding us through all the stages of our project.
Welcome to the practical demonstration of our project. This is the entire setup of the system. Here you could see the user, monitor, IP camera mounted on a wheelchair in a user-friendly manner. This is the circuit setup. It consists of Stellaris microcontroller, PCB design. We have used an IP camera here. This camera is connected to the modem. Using this camera, we can monitor the whereabouts of the person anywhere in this world. We have purposefully enabled the IR function of the camera by covering the LDR with a sticker, as it would help us in tracking the user's gaze point. The Stellaris Launchpad is used as a control interface to control the devices connected to the system. This green board is a PCB which has the safety features of the device. For trial purpose, we have connected only a buzzer and an LED. These two devices are controlled by the user. To use this system, the user should calibrate his eye movements according to the location. First, the welcome window appears, followed by the calibration window. Here the calibration begins. Now the user has to log in for the IP camera. The user is asked to look up for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the eye of the user is captured and converted into grayscale. Using the grayscale, the standard deviation is calculated. Now the user is asked to look down. Again, the user's image is captured, converted to grayscale, and the standard deviation is found. The mean of the standard deviation is found. The system uses this mean value to find the user's gazing point. According to the eye gaze of the system, the sound wave with different sampling rate is generated through the sound card. These waves are given to the Stellaris controller, which differentiates the sound wave and performs the corresponding operation. After the calibration, the user can start using the system. In the demonstration, we are going to control the buzzer connected to the Stellaris microcontroller. Now, the user is asked to look at the start option. The user image is captured. The standard deviation is found using the grayscale image. This value is compared with the prescale value. For selecting the buzzer, he has to look up. The image of the user is again captured and the standard deviation is calculated using the grayscale image. The buzzer goes on for 5 seconds. The start page is opened again. In the similar way, we can drive other devices like fan, light, etc. In future, we have decided to add wheelchair control and text-to-speech in this system. Thank you.